How to use Hellotalk app easily on mobile. So first things first is you have to download the application from the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. So just head directly to Google Play Store and then just search for Hellotalk. Now, if you have downloaded Hellotalk, then just make sure that you are fully or you're currently using the latest version by just tapping out the update button if it is available. Now just access your HelloTalk account and then just log in by using your Google Mail. So this is going to be your homepage. So above you should be able to see all courses, play, translate, a grammar, French Easy, and Notepad. So these are the specific tabs in which you can have an connections with. Say, for example, you will have registered to any of the courses language that you would like. So you just have to use the all courses. So play with a specific games, specifically with grammars and all. So below is going to be your Hello Talk homepage, Connect, Moments, Voice Room, and your account tab. Now, Connect is where you can coordinate or communicate with users from Hello Talk. Now, the other thing that you can do is Moments. In here, you can see post of users, or you can also post on your own. Now, voice room is just a specific room that you can go ahead and join them for a study by all of the languages that is going to be available on the rooms. Now, Me tab is going to be your account settings or the settings from the application. So it's just very easy to use. All I have to do is just to hover around these settings right here, then you're good to go. So that's how easy and quick you can use HelloTalk app on mobile.